Hey everyone, how's it going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add auto captions in Capcut PC on Reels. So I have already added the video to the timeline. Let me play it so you guys can see the raw video.
See, you've been fed this narrative about balance.
Now, just click on the text and select Auto Captions, then click on Generate. You can see how fast Capcut has generated the captions, but if your video is like 10 minutes long, then it's going to take a lot of time. Now, captions have been added. Let's adjust their size, fonts, and everything. So sometimes there is a spelling error, and to change that, click on Captions and add the text or delete. Change the fonts from here. You can also choose a color combination from here. Now let's add animations to our caption. Click on animation, and I'm already in caption section. Try different animations and see what looks good, but I am going with this shortening here is the bonus tip for you try to add captions. Add captions just below the chin. But you can see the adjustments that we have done do not apply to all the captions. Now click on this icon and apply it to all. All this will add adjustments to all captions. But for animation, you have to manually select all the captions and just go to animation and click on the animation that you like. And here we go. This is the final result.
Balance in your life, being zen, doing this, doing that. It's all nonsense.
Thanks for watching.